3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Go! Shoot! 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Good. Go! Shoot! 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot!
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during the last day of Season 3 of the PBBL. Today's challenger is no stranger to the Dragon King. He challenged the Dragon King before during the Burst era and got one on him. He entered the Beyblade X era just in time to join the One Hit the Elite team during PBBL Season 3 where they won the gold. Now he's challenging a fellow team member. He's MJ. Will MJ get another one on the Dragon King, or will the Dragon King get his revenge? Stick around and find out. These are the combos that I used. Dran Sword with the 370 ratchet and the low flat bit. Dran Buster with the 560 ratchet and the rush bit. Dran Dagger with the 460 ratchet and the point bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Here comes the new challenger. Ice cream, ice cream! Walang like na Rayson? What? Walang like. Ay, isa ba? Isa ba? Isa pang pakita? Ay, sige. Please ba? Tagal ba ito? Siyempre. Okay, ready na? And 3, 2, 1, go! Iyan!
Kaya gusto ko siya gamitin kayo sa ano red. So mabigat yun.
Okay, 1 is Zigad ba ito?
Ay! Zigad!
Hindi, sa akin parang. Wala lang. 1 point. Second bay tayo, show. Okay, Raiders ready. And 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot!
Ayan na! Uy, gago! Ayan na! Uy! Ito pa!
Ayan ka na!
Wala!
Wala!
Meta eh! Pero diba, ang dami ko rin natatalo. So kaya niya rin talaga meta. Basta knockout talaga.
2-0. Third bay tayo.
Nga pala. Hindi ko lang kalabit yung sticker. Pag nagkaskasan mo lang.
Gumagana eh.
Di ba? Congrats! Ay, puta!
Okay. Raiders ready. And 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot!
Pakita mo lang saglit. Pawis lahat yan ng ano.
Hey!
Ayan na.
Puputo kaya?
Kanino na burst ko yun, no? Oo, hindi ka.
First saka ano, knockout kanina. Oy! Extreme! First saka ano, knockout kanina. Oy!
Oo, hindi ka.
First saka ano, knockout kanina. Oy! Extreme! Perfect! First set win by MJ De La Hoya. Second set. Okay. Hindi nakita, isa pa.
Hindi, okay na po. Nakuha naman sa first set na maayos. Nabalik ako na.
Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Good. Ay! 2 points para kay... Ay! 2 points para kay MJ MJ De La Hoya. Second bay tayo. Ooh. Katay. Okay, Blader's ready. And 3, 2, 1, go, shoot!
Ayan na.
Hoy, munting na lumabas. Wala.
Naku, ayaw. Sige,
3-0. One last chance for Dragon King. Okay, Blader is ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. Perfect! Your winner and new Dragon King Challenge champion, MJ De La Hoya!
And that's game. The final standings are Dragon King 0, MJ 2. MJ triumphs over the Dragon King once again, taking his title. He is your new Dragon King Challenge champion, Wawawiwa. Sadly, this was MJ's last paid battle for now. It's an honor blading alongside you. Hope we cross paths again in the future. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to MJ, and I'll see you guys on the next video.